Now, you spoke about several issues, including this thorny issue of body-worn cameras for members of the JCF. What's the PNP policy likely to be if it takes charge of government where body-worn cameras is concerned?
Well, that was stated very clearly yesterday that we strongly support the required use of body cameras for the reasons I expounded. We have in Jamaica for a while much questions about what the police claim and what the citizens claim. And it comes down to who you believe. What the body camera does is to represent what literally takes place. And that is very clear.
Yeah.
So, and what we want to prevail in any just society is for the truth to prevail. And let the chips fall where they may.
Do you get the sense that the police are not using them in the numbers that would satisfy organizations like JFJ because of a government? I don't want to say government directive, but is it that the government is somehow standing in the way of the police using more body cameras at this time? Is that your impression?
Well, for us, it's not a matter of what the impression is what the facts are. That's our starting point. For example, in police operations, right? A policeman just pop up on a situation and something happens, not necessarily wearing a body camera. It's a different thing.